Hello everyone, welcome to ZubiZ. So today I am going to explain you a master data required for PPDS, production planning and resource scheduling. So before starting, the main important uh, master data I can say is a model and a version. So which play an important role. So these two are very important and these two are required to execute PPDS in any system. So model and version is standardly maintained in the system. Suppose if model and version is not maintained, please you can also create your own model and version. Let me show you in the system how it looks like. If you go to the logistics, you'll find advanced planning tab. In advanced planning, if you go to master data, you will find first most thing is planning version management. So just go to planning version management and just check whether a standard model and version is available or not. Definitely there will be a standard model and version will be available which is with the name of 000. Okay. So suppose if you want to create a new one also you can copy this by like you can see here we have copy model and version and you can also create a new model and new version also here. So this is very important. You can see here active model 000 and active version is 000. Okay. So this is first thing which is very important. So now just we have checked that we have two things, one is model and version which is already available. Let us see next step, create location. Location is nothing but in PPDS, location is equal to plant. Whenever is plant created in the system, there is location already available. Just we need to create a separate location which is equal to plant in PPDS. Let me show you how to create the location in S4 HANA PPDS. If you go back, you'll find location here, the second, and just click on location. This is the T code SAP APO underscore LOC3. Okay, so just click on this. If you want to create new one, just click on create. Just give the name here, like. But the very important thing is the location which we are giving here should be available in the system as a plant. Okay, otherwise it cannot be accepted. So location type which is already predefined in the system in PPDS, I can say there are so many location types like production plant, distribution center, shipping point, which is equal to the plants, I can say. Okay, so just select the production plant here. Okay, so you can tell here as create, but it is already created with 1710, so it will show that 1710 is already exist. Let me display this plant. Okay. So if you see here, the same address is available which is created during 1710 plan. Okay. So now you can see what calendars is assigned. You can see the resource. Okay. Inbound, outbound resources. And you can see the shipping calendar, receiving calendar, warehouse calendar. PPDS has so many functionalities. You can utilize this by assigning the calendars with separate, I can say, locations like production calendar is separate, warehouse calendar is separate, shipping calendar is separate, and receiving calendar is separate. So this is how we can able to assign it. But the important point is location should be available in the system to create the master data or to execute the PPDS scenario in the system. So now we have seen that location is already available. Very easy is to create if you want to take new one and just click here and create. But after this, the very main important point is assign version and model to the location. Once you create the location, you need to assign model, okay, and set planning version. Just click on here, assign model, whether check which is activated or not. Okay, if it is not activated, click here and activate it. Okay, so the model is already assigned to the location, and if you see the planning version also, so this here the planning version is also assigned to the location. Okay, so next step is create product master. Like how we need to create the product master. So product master is nothing but material master. Material master equal to the product master in PPDS. So we have seen and we know that in material master in MM02, if you go, let me show you with example. I have created like PPDS FG as a material. There is a view which is nothing but advanced planning view. You need to activate this view during the creation of material master, and you need to activate the advanced planning option in the advanced planning view. If you see, if I go to the advanced planning view here, there is an option available advanced planning which need to be activated. So now this material is activated for advanced planning. Once you this material is activated for advanced planning, there will be a background automatic product master will be created. Okay, so it will be created automatically once you tick this mark in the material master for any product. Okay, so I have checked this mark for this product. Let us see whether the product master is available or not. So to check this product master is available or not, let me show you. Just go to product, and yeah, you can display here product from here. So this is the T code APO underscore SAP APO underscore MAT1. Okay, let me check whether the product master is available or not. PPDS underscore FG, and this is the location. If I click on display, yeah, you can see. So these all are the views. How the views are available in the material master. Though like here we have separate views for the product master. If you want to maintain those all values separately, like we need to assign the classification, storage location. We want to view the demand here itself, lot sizing procedures we have. Okay, these all options are available. You can change like requirement strategy, picking, availability stock, demand penalties. There are so many new functionalities available in PPDS. We can utilize these. Okay, but our main requirement is product master should be available. How the product master will be created here? Just activate the advanced planning view and activate the advanced planning tick mark in material master. Then it will be created in the background itself. Okay. So here one important point is that if we go to the next step, what it is mentioned after displaying the production master, assign version and model to the product master. So this is very important point, guys, because I face many difficulties because I does not assign this. I am trying to execute PPDS scenario, but it is showing error that the version and model is not assigned to the product. So if we see here, you just assign the model here. Okay, see it is assigned. Now just click here and tick the mark, then the model will be get assigned, and choose the planning version. Okay, so this is the planning version, right? I give here 000 and continue. Okay, let me check. This is not I think yeah, here if you select the model and planning version, just select this and continue. No simulation parameters could be set for the active version. Yeah, it is already choosed. So I don't think here we need to give this because I have already given this. Otherwise, if you go inside and you can check in the display also whether the version is assigned or not. Okay. So from here also you can check if it is assigned. No need to I can say assign there. Okay. So this is production planner, and if I go to PPDS, let me check here. Outside is somewhere it may be, but the important point is we need to assign the model and planning version. Okay, so these are the two important points. Okay, so now bomb. So we have created the master data. material master, I can say. Now the bomb. What about the bomb? So we can create here bomb with CS01, same as we create in the our system, S4HANA system. Okay, so no need to create separate bomb for PPDS. And the second thing is work center. Yes, work center is called as resource in PPDS, but the important point is that how the resource will be created in PPDS. The only thing is that we need to just check the advanced planning tick mark in work center. So once we take this, then the resource will be automatically created. Let me show you that. If I show you slash ncr02 is the work center. So if I show you here, yes, advanced planning tick mark should be there. Once you tick this, then automatically this work center will be transferred to PPDS, I can say, with the help of live cache, what we have seen in the configuration. Okay, so that's the reason live cache is very important to have in the system. Then only we can able to execute PPDS. So yes, we have picked that, and the resource will be created in the background. Let us check how the resource will be look like. Okay, SAP APO RES01. Otherwise, you can go to the path also. Yeah, yes, here is the resource. Just click on this. The resource will be created, or not created, I can say. Let us display the resource without giving that. Yeah. So these are the resources already created, I can say, and we have here so many things to be included. Like we can give the downtimes here. We can include external capacities. Downtimes is nothing but suppose if you want to something breakdown is happen and our machine is not working for so much of time, then we can give here downtime, and we can give the reason also why the downtime has came. And we have time count capacity, general capacity. As I told you, PPDS came with so many lot of functionalities. Like here we see PPDS bucket capacity. If you have any bucket capacity, bucket scheme, then we can also able to include here. Okay, so here how it is look like. Okay, so this is the work center which has been created automatically. So just by the way that I have created the work center with WC and dash FG1 in the CR01, but it has taken separate. W came into picture, 1710 and 0001 will be came automatically. Okay, so here we can able to see how many work centers are available or not, right? So yes, the resource has been transferred from there to here. Right, this is how we can check the resource. Now what about routing? So routing is equal to the same as BOM I told. Just create the routing, and the routing is be created in the PPDS. It is similar to that. Now production version. Production version is equal to the product data structure in PPDS. Okay. So to check whether the production version, because in the production version we can able to assign BOM and work center, right? So this BOM and work center we assigned in the production version. So I can say, sorry, BOM and routing is assigned in the uh, production. BOM and routing is assigned in the production version. So we can able to see whether this production version is equal to product data structure is transferred here or not. Okay. To check this, just go back and check here. If we see product data structure, right? So yes, from here you can see the product data structure is available here. Just click here. Okay, just check. This one is the T code. Yeah, I will give the product number PPDS underscore FG, right? So this is the product number. I will say here execute. Yeah, see PPDS. If this is the product, and if we see, yes, production version. PDS is nothing but PV01 which I have created in the production version. The same version is transferred here with the help of live cache. Okay, so we need no need to create anything, just we need to check whether it has been transferred or not. Initially, what happened during the first release of PPDS, we have a separate T code to transfer the production version from the I can say S4 HANA to PPDS within the system. Okay, but now with the help of live cache, everything live cache, it will be transferred automatically. There are two production version. One production version is for FG, and I have created separate material for SFG. Also, those all production versions will be displayed here. Okay, this is how the system, like I can say, uh, within the system, the data will be transferred or created in PPDS. Okay, so these are the main important master data which is required to execute PPDS scenario in the system. So hope you understand, guys. And one more important master data is transportation lane. It is used to transport product master from one location to the other location within the same client. Okay, so product master, like material master, I can say extension of material master from one plant to other plant. Nothing but yes, we can do with the help of transport lane. But the important point comes here is, and here we can say within the same client, not in the other client. Okay, so planning is done at demand location. So T-lane is important to plan because it can also consider the transportation time to transfer the product from supply location to demand location. Example, I planned in, suppose example, I have planned the material in Australia, but I don't have manufacturing unit there. I have manufacturing unit in America. So by help of transportation lane, so I can able to execute the planning, how much time it will take to manufacture in America, and it will be transferred from America to Australia. So those all times will be considered in the we can consider in the transport lane. So during the planning, it will consider this transport lane timing also. So this is how we can create the master data in the system and will be useful for PPDS. In the coming video, we'll execute one small scenario on PPDS so that it can be clearly understandable. Thank you, guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget it, because so many people are watching the videos but they are not subscribing. It will definitely help and a lot matter for me. Thank you. Bye.